I heard like an urban legend of a flavor of Oreo that everyone got mad because it turned your shit pink.
I do remember this.
Was it the red velvet?
I remember this.
It's not. Because I tried them. Because I've been trying every single one trying to get pink shit.
Dude, if I got pink shit, I'd be like, I'm taking a picture of that. That's
pictures of
going
it.
on the internet.
Exactly.
Look at it.
I have succeeded.
Yeah.
I cannot find
I can die
What
peacefully.
about like you could like chug a bunch of Pepto-Bismol.
But it's not gonna affect
First of
your
all,
shit, or
that's
that-
probably a terrible
If you
idea.
drink enough of it will. I don't think you can like. I mean, I'm sure it's not good to chug.
But there's
a
nothing
lot.
solid there to shit.
don't chug.
Well,
I
yeah,
know.
but it'll, like you'll diarrhea eventually, and it'll be pink.
Probably.
That's what I'm
No,
getting.
there's some
So,
guy.
what you're saying is if you drink enough Pepto-Bismol, it doesn't cure your diarrhea,
no.
but it in fact causes
Well, it's
it.
like those-
And it's awesome
Absolutely.
pink diarrhea.
Have you seen the ads for the it's the glitter, the little glitter things where you eat them and then you shit out glitter?
No, and I want it.
Wait, so it's just like...
Oh
Shit's too
my
messy.
God.
Shit's messy.
Is it just like... It's edible and the only purpose is to make your shit fancy?
Yeah.
Well, so
That's amazing.
That's-
yeah.
Whoever
well,
invented that.
So like pretty
Oh my
much,
God.
I'm pretty sure all it is just
Bravo.
glitter and gel caps.
Yeah.
You know, and then
Oh, that's even smarter. You,
My
boop,
goodness.
you don't even have to fucking like...
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
No, you don't have to. You don't have to.
I'm eating glitter. Oh my god.
Why?
This is horrible.
So when I shit, I can go...
It's worth it. You guys are biting on glitter.
That's actually a really good thing to do if you're one of those serial poopers that you're always hearing about.
Yeah.
What are you talking
The
about?
people that just shit in
What do you
public.
What do you
all
mean?
the
What am I talking
Serial
about?
poopers?
Serial poopers.
Bob's Burgers had a serial pooper.
Serial poopers. I was hearing a
True
story
story.
about
You need to broaden your horizons on Pornhub is what you need to
No, I was hearing a
Maybe
story
right.
on recently about a guy who was like going to a rival school he was a superintendent of his school, going to a rival district every morning before they opened and taking a dump on their fucking
Oh, that was recent.
Yeah,
that was like
real
within the
recent.
last like 2 months.
yeah, he was taking a
that
dump
is
on
great.
their stadium.
Yeah, on their
Football
football
field.
stadium.
That
He
is
was
so
just
good.
every morning going, they were like, "Who the fuck's taking a dump?" And then they
Superintendent, right?
Superintendent, like,
Yeah.
dude, your life is
True
great.
story.
You know what you can afford? A little bit of fucking glitter capsules.
Yeah.
Make that shit a little sparkly.
Oh yeah.
Spice it up
Oh
a
yeah.
If you're gonna cereal poop, that's the kind of
Dude.
poop that needs glitter.
Yeah.
All right, so I would just like to point out what I'm currently searching online right now.
Poo with whipped cream.
Cereal glitter poo.
So the first thing I search is take pill to make shit different
Oh.
colors. Excuse
Okay.
me.
Okay.
What did come was how to poop a rainbow.
How to
Yes.
poop a rainbow.
That exceeds my expectations.
That sounds like an amazing song.
and then you got WebMD, of course. We don't care about that.
Whatever. Fuck.
You
it.
have
To
cancer.
poop a rainbow.
Oh, and then we get to the topic at hand here.
Uh-huh.
All the food that turns your poop different colors.
Yeah.
What turns it green? Because I can never.
God himself created that.
I think that okay.
Also,
Also,
like, oh shit, I ate something.
I want
don't
to. There
remember.
was a black hamburger in
Last-
Japan that turned your poop blue.
That's
and
awesome.
That yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's all
What?
fucking awesome.
Hey guys, I found this is the pink poop we've been talking about.
Oh.
I found it. All right. Last
We're
Easter, a
getting 'em.
popular candy surprised people by turning their poop from brown to vibrant pink.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
That
that's
needs to be
awesome.
Fun!
everywhere.
Exclamation mark. while other color variants in your stool might normally be a sign of life-threatening internal bleeding. Note.
That's what we were
It
all
can
so
also
scared
be
about the
something
hot
much
Cheetos.
more benign, such as you just ate the wrong thing.
Oreo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Too many Oreos.
Yeah.
But it's not too many if it turns it pink.
Mhm.
Because if all
Glitter pills, an emerging market for people who want to literally pour their money down the toilet. Capsules filled with different
Yes!
colored non-toxic glitter are widely available on the internet.
Ah, that's wonderful.
Nice.
if
We're
there
doing
is
Buy
a
my
way,
Ross
yeah,
and Michaels.
yeah.
if there's a way you can slip, I know people slip pills to
Oh.
people all the time. It's shitty, horrible.
Oh.
Use those skills for good. Flip them glitter pills. Then they get a nice little surprise.
Make
poop.
them feel good about it.
Yeah, they're like, oh shit, I pooped glitter. I'm fucking special.
So, for red pink or purple stool,
Uh-huh.
you're gonna want to consume a lot of beets.
I can't do beets.
I mean,
I've had them before.
Does that mean they fucking use beets in those Oreos?
Beets is one of the very few
I will
foods
not.
that I can't do.
If they taste fine, I don't give a shit. I
Yeah,
like beets.
that's true. If it tastes good,
I'm not gonna go
full
for
credit.
a beet Oreo,
No.
Yeah,
but I'll eat pickled beets.
beet flavored Oreos.
I'm a gross fuck. I eat pickled
Gross
beets.
Speaking of pooping,
Did you?
no, I don't think it got it.
No.
Oh, we need them good
I don't
ones.
know.
We need them Patreon.
I mean,
to
what?
get those
Well, okay.
fart
So
puns
the real
on
question
mic.
is, was there
I know.
real shit?
Huh?
Was there real shit?
In my fart just
Yeah.
now? No.
Okay.
Then
No.
not speaking of.
Well,
You
it's
bitch!
like
You teach
it's
us.
like a side topic. It's like a side
Oh,
topic.
alright.
I mean, it's
There's
look.
Poo in there.
Look. A fart is simply a subgenre of poop.
Yes.
Subgenre.
Softcore.
It's
softcore.
softcore.
Softcore poops. That's what
Softcore.
I do that all day.
Oh,
I just softcore poop. I've never hardcore pooped.
Dude,
Yeah.
we need to hardcore talk. Get
Yeah,
out.
my favorite.
Get out my
Hardcore
house.
real talk. Get out.
Yeah, you're about to pop. Not in here. I ain't cleaning that mess up.
That's what you do. Is you eat like
You're not making a mess in the boys' hall.
you eat a giant fucking thing of the pink Oreos. Like what were they? The Easter Oreos or some
Yeah.
shit.
I tried them.
And then put glitter in there, and then pink glittered poops.
It doesn't-
Giant poops.
it
They
does-
will be
The
giant.
Easter Oreos don't give you the pink.
Eat
poop.
like a Fiber One
Oh.
bar with it.
I've tried every Oreo.
Really?
There you go. It's gonna be some like really thick.
Maybe
poop.
they
that's
changed
That's
it.
gonna be one of those that's gonna be
That would
hard to
suck.
push out.
Yeah.
That's what I think.
those
That's
never
what I
nice.
think
That
happened.
would
They
suck.
changed
And
the
fuck
sugar
them.
in it.
How great is pooping?
Oh, dude, you wake up in the morning.
Depends.
Most
That's a
of the
diaper
time,
joke.
though.
Ba-dum.
Yeah, nice.
Most of the time.
Oh, it's good. I like that one.
If your pooping game's on point,
Unfortunately, I have the problem of wanting to poop in the morning, and it's always terrible. It's never just like I gotta go poop in the morning. All right, gotta go poop, and then I go poop. It's always, holy shit, I gotta go take a shit and sit on here for like 30 minutes.
hey man.
My goodness.
That's my first 10 minutes of my workday.
Just pooping.
Yep.
That's
Sometimes
it's my
I'll
alarm.
sit in there.
It's your alarm.
I mean, that is
makes
that-
you want to poop.
No, my alarm doesn't make me want to poop.
Oh.
Me needing to poop is usually what wakes me up in the morning.
Uh.
I'm like, okay, I need to take a dump.
Yeah.
Hey, it's 5 minutes before my alarm was going to go off.
Nice.
Awesome.
Back when I used to dip, that was my favorite thing to do in the morning.
Dip and shit.
Yeah, it's called a dip shit.
Of
Because
course.
you get a massive amount
I'm
of
sounding immediately
nicotine,
with that.
which just like it's a diuretic. So
I had a
next thing you know, you're pooping.
You're
pooping.
Let me tell you something.
Let me
You're
tell you.
pooping.
You're pooping.
smoking a cigarette
Uh-huh.
Yep.
makes me need to take a shit.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's a
nicotine.
laxative.
Yeah.
Yep.
I believe that.
Yeah.
It's a diuretic, so it just passes right through you.
My buddy.
That's what I do now. Is I go literally in the morning. I wake up. I take my vape. I sit on my toilet and just get enough nicotine to just like
Dump it.
get
Clear.
today's
That's
shit.
good
Get it
about
first.
vape.
The first shit of the day done.
Yeah.
That's just great about vaping. You can vape and shit.
Dude, I
Have a vape and a shit in every
It's
morning.
you gotta come up with something like a dipshit though.
Yeah.
That is
it's
fucking
not-
great.
yeah. Vaping is always mediocre compared to everything.
well, that's why I
Well,
like
I mean,
using
no,
the
it's
nicotine
name-wise.
salts because this
yeah.
shit you get that immediately.
Oh! So what are we doing here? We having the Poopy Time podcast.
Poop time podcast.
This is actually just episode 2 of the Pumpkin Spice podcast.
You didn't think that was gonna be real? It's real.
It's super real, and we're talking about glitter poo.
Legitimately, I'm doing that. I'm doing that like this weekend. I'm ordering some glitter and getting my poops up. I'm sending that in the group chat. Guys, look what I did.
Make sure you eat something impressive
Oh yeah, yeah.
when you take the pills.
I mean, it better be a big shit. If I'm
That's
pooping
what I'm
out little
saying.
tiny fucking things, that's gonna suck.
They're cute though, little glittery ones.
It's cute.
It's cute. It's not quite brutal.
Yeah.
Dehydrate. Dangerously dehydrate
Dehydrate?
yourself.
Oh my gosh.
So you
God.
You can leave little glittery rabbit dookies.
Yeah.
Little piles of pellets.
I like how
Little- just liquid shit
Like where we're going
with
with
glitter.
Guys, I want to talk about zombies.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh no.
Oh, yeah.
We've been talking about shit for like 45 minutes now.
I blame whoever brought up the glitter